Hello all, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Today we will discuss a grammar topic. Before starting the lesson, please take your workbook, page number 33. Today our aim is to identify and use present continuous verb and form and sort words with ing endings. Let's start. Look at the picture given here. What can you see in this picture? Where is the boy standing? Yes, the boy is standing at the riverside. What is he wondering about? He is wondering about the river. Where is the river flowing? The river is flowing past the mill. Where are the boats going? The boats are going past the hill. Now, can you tell me what are the underlined words? Standing, wandering, flowing and going. What do they tell us about? Any idea? Let's see. So, now we are going to learn present continuous verb. When we are talking about an action that is happening right now and may continue in the near future, we use am, is, are with the ing form of the verb. This is called present continuous verb. Again, when we are talking about an action that is happening right now and may continue in the near future, which is known as present continuous verb. See the examples. I am writing this letter to my friend. You are walking to the bus stop right now. Dharmesh is running away from the big dog. See here. Am, is, are given, right? Along with that, ing form of verb is also given. For example, am writing, are walking and is running. Now let's see how we can add negative sentence with present continuous verb. We can add the word not between am, is, are and ing verb to talk about something that is not happening right now. For example, I am not reading. Hari is not walking to the school. The people are not cheering for the winning team. See here, am not reading, is not walking, are not cheering. So the main rules of present continuous tense are is, am, are plus ing form of verb. And when it is negative, is, am, are plus not plus ing form of verb. Hope you understood. Now take page number 33 of your workbook. S3 present continuous verb. See the first question, answer the questions. What are children doing in the playground right now? What is your teacher doing right now? What are you reading right now? So, you have to answer these questions with present continuous verb. See question number 2. Fill in the blanks with correct form of verb given in the brackets. For an example, hurry up, I am dash for you. The verb given in the bracket is wait. So, hurry up, I am waiting for you. Similarly, you have to complete all the blanks. Question number 3. Look at your drawing of where go the boats in S2 and describe what is happening in it using ing verbs. So, look at the drawing. You already draw one picture in S2, first question. You have to describe it with the help of ing words. For example, the boy is standing. The river is flowing. You have to complete it. Now, let's see how to form and sort words with ing endings. So tell me now, what is happening in the poem Where Go the Boats? Yes, the boy lost his boats in the river. And can you tell me 2 words or 3 words here with ing ending? Afloating and aborting, right? What happens if we remove ing from these words? Yeah, it will become afloat and about, isn't it? Let's see some examples. Floating becomes float if you remove ing. Saying becomes say. Baking become bake. Traveling become travel. Planning becomes plan. Now let's see how to form ing words. By adding ing. We won't add anything else. We will just add ing to the verb. For example, say becomes saying. Float becomes floating. Dream becomes dreaming. Second rule is by dropping e to add ing. For example, in the word name, e is removed and adding ing. So, name, name becomes naming. Similarly, like becomes liking and hate becomes hating. And the third rule is by doubling last letter to add ing. See here, the verb stop. The word stop becomes stopping by adding or doubling the last letter. Stop, stop becomes stopping by adding another p, right? Stopping. Similarly, plan becomes planning and travel become traveling. Now take your workbook, page number 34. S4, words ending with ing. The first question, find the ing words in word puzzle and circle them. Look both from left to right and right to left. Let's see some words. So I got the words planning, hoping, stopping, hitting, dancing, train. So we have to find these words and circle it. Now see question number 2. Sort the ing words by you found above in the correct columns. Just add ing. So which all have to add? Just ing. Which all words are doubling the consonants and which all words drop e and add ing. Now question number 3. Look at the actions in the picture and write a paragraph about them using words ending with ing. Underline the words with ing endings. So for an example, the bus is stopping. They are waiting. Some are walking. So like that you have to write. Complete it. Thank you. Have a good day.